Hello everyone, welcome to this video where we are required to factorize this expression here, and I'm going to make use of the cross chart to do that. Do take note how Mr. Tan is placing the term. Negative 9 is here, negative 14q is here. And now is the time to consider the factors. And take note how Mr. Tan does it. Mr. Tan consider the coefficient. So 8 is 1 times 8. 2 times 4. 9 is 1 times 9. 3 times 3. I need to be able to identify two sets of factors such that they can give me negative 14 later on. And I realize that if I have 2 times 9, that will give me 18. 1 times 4, that will give me 4. So if I have a 4 minus 18, I will get negative 14. So to put my thoughts into the cross chart, this is how it looks like. So if I have a 2, of course must have the q, multiplied by 9, and that this has to be my negative. Then I will get a negative 18q. And if I have a 4q here, multiplied by 1, that will give me 4q. And when I add 4 with negative 18, it does give me back my negative 14q. And as I compare, 1 multiplied by negative 9, it does give me negative 9. And we have found our answer. Yeah? So the answer for this question would be 2q and positive 1, 4q and negative 9. And we have come to the end of this video. If you like this video, do give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.